Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the slit dress on Dress to Impress. Just going to copy and paste the skin tone first. Well, I'll just copy it for now. Then I'm going to select these and toggle it to the type 3 one. I'll change the color later. And we're going to select the top and change that to our desired color. Then we're going to go back here. You'll need VIP for this, and you're going to color that dress the same. And lastly, go back to leggings and paste this on. You're going to toggle it to the type 3 one as well. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.